you create email advertisement, the first thing you need to do is you actually need to get lists of people you can email. Now, question is, how do you get that list? There are platforms like, for example, Apollo that you can utilize to generate a list of certain businesses or certain people within those businesses that you can email. So you generate that list from platforms like Apollo. If you cannot afford a platform like Apollo, even though they actually have a free plan, you can go ahead and hire certain freelancers on different platforms that can utilize these platforms like Apollo and then give you a list for cheaper, right? So you can get a list of those people first. Then what you do then is you use certain CRMs like HubSpot is one of them, or for example, you can use Salesforce or any other CRM to start preparing certain mass mails to this audience. Now, the key thing here is you need to ensure that the audience that you're emailing is relevant to the content that you're sending. You don't want to send irrelevant content to those people because they can report you as spam. And if a lot of people report you as spam, you will have problems with your email provider and your CRM. So you probably, if you're starting email marketing, you want to start with like low volume of emails and slowly start increasing it. But essentially, this is what you do. You find the people that you need for a specific niche. You do that using Apollo, and then you slowly start sending emails through CRM, but you don't try to blast a lot of people right away. You want to slowly start doing it, and you want to make sure there's a small bounce off rate, and you want to make sure that there's not many people reporting you as spam. And then you can start increasing the emails that you're sending.